Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Semrush Keyword Magic for content briefs step by step clearly. To install Semrush's Keyword Magic tool for creating content briefs, begin by accessing the Semrush website. Log in to your Semrush account. If you don't have an account, create one to gain access to the tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Keyword Magic tool option on the left sidebar. Click on it to enter the Keyword Magic tool interface. In the search bar, enter the topic or keyword you wish to explore. Hit the search icon to generate a list of related keywords. Review the list of keywords provided, paying attention to the search volume and difficulty scores. Select the keywords that are most relevant to your content goals. After selecting the desired keywords, locate the Add to Projects button. Click on this button to save the chosen keywords to a specific project. Next, navigate to the Content Template section in the left sidebar. Select the project you just added your keywords to. The content template will automatically suggest the optimal keywords for your brief. Review the suggestions and customize them if necessary. Once satisfied with the selections, click on the Create Content Brief option. Fill in any additional details required for the brief. Finalize and save the content brief for your project. You can now access this brief anytime for reference while creating your content. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up Semrush's Keyword Magic tool for content briefs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.